In this video, I'm going to show you how to order clothes from Pinterest. So this is actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is, of course, first find a type of clothing you would like to buy from Pinterest. So for example, I'm just going to type in clothes and we're going to find an example over here. So let's say it's going to be this one over here. So we're going to take this polo sweater, and then once you open it up and you can see it, you will usually be able to see the price of it, right? And then next to the price, you'll be able to see the description, and then down below it will say visit site. So there's no way to actually buy directly from Pinterest itself. However, you can be easily redirected to their websites, so to the websites which sell those products that are then pinned on Pinterest. So this one, for example, is selling on Etsy, and if I were to press visit site over here, it will open up a new tab. And as you can see, it took me directly to Etsy, which is essentially a marketplace for different items, clothing, etc. And over here, you can then buy it. So you'll, of course, gonna have to create an account on Etsy itself because that's kind of the merchant. And then you're gonna have to select your color, your size, and then press add the cart. And then, of course, as you would with any clothing, you're just gonna go ahead, go to the checkout process and buy that clothing. And as you can see, it's gonna be the same for each and every single piece of clothing. The only difference is that it will be sold on different websites. So when I hover over them, as you can see, you can already see the names of those websites. This, for example, is Etsy. This is Ayanga. This is Amazon. We have Shein. We have some others over here, Poshmark, for example. And if I were to click on any of these, as you can see, you can simply press visit site. It will take to their website. And then on here, you can order from the website itself, because Pinterest will simply just redirect you to a website where these clothes are actually being sold. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.